Hi, my name is Joselyn Spence, and I am the Director of Mental Health and Wellness for the National Benevolent Association of the Christian Church Disciples of Christ. Before getting into this work that I'm currently doing, I worked for several years as a licensed professional counselor and a registered art therapist. And I came to Candler wanting to explore the intersections of spirituality and mental health, as well as prepare myself for public ministry and chaplaincy, which is exactly what I did at Candler. Candler prepared me very well for the work that I do on a daily basis as a director with a general ministry of a pretty large denomination by giving me, first off, invaluable knowledge and skills through receiving my Master's of Divinity, learning about theology, learning how to provide spiritual care. Strengthening my ethics and my understanding of the world and how I am to show up as a representative of Christ in the world and in my work was one of the highlights of my time at Candler. I would also say that Candler helped prepare me for the work that I do through my contextual education experiences, being able again to provide spiritual care, to be reflective, to hone in on my skills and develop as the preacher and theologian and care provider that I am was a wonderful experience at Candler. And I would also say that taking the professional narrative course with Sarah Carlson was, wow, hands down, one of the best experiences in my time there, to be able to be self-reflective and do the work of seeing how I can articulate the wealth of experiences and skills that I was coming into Candler with and that I developed while at Candler to be able to do the work of ministry after I graduated. And so I'm so grateful to Candler for giving me the skills that I needed to be able to do the work that God has called me to do.